Okay, it is super hot this afternoon as we are going through a heat wave. I'm also a little tired, so I could go for one more coffee for the day. Now, I thought a great way to help beat the heat and perk myself up would be to use my Margaritaville Bahamas frozen concoction maker here and make an iced cappuccino. So let's do it. So my plan here is to make enough iced cappuccino to make 2 beverages. Now this did take a little bit of planning in advance. You want 10 ounces of your favorite coffee that you can let chill down. With this, we actually went with an espresso we really liked, did a few long pulls with that, and wound up with this nice chilled espresso. So I'm just going to add that directly to my Margaritaville pitcher. Next, I'm adding a half cup of creamer. You can go with a non-fat creamer, which is what we're doing because we're just trying to keep those, keep the fat down just a little bit. But you could use any one that you really like. And then just to completely undo any good stuff that I was doing there, I'm going to be adding some Irish cream. And I'm going with 2 ounces of that. Use your favorite Irish cream. You can either go with an alcohol or a non-alcoholic version. We're going with alcoholic. I'm just gonna pop my pitcher up in here and grab some ice for the machine. So I have the ice reservoir relatively loaded up. I am gonna make some nice juices for the kids after this, so I have a little bit more ice in here than I would need just for this recipe. So I'm all ready. I'm just gonna hit the auto start button here. Wait for it. Oh, awesome. Let's grab some glasses. Got myself a little glass here. Just like that. Ooh, yeah. So let's try it out. Ooh. That is foamy, that is creamy. It's got a nice little richness from that espresso in there. And you get a little bit of that Irish cream too. Nice and smooth. Now, when you have that cream in there, it does make it a little bit foamier than perhaps some other slushy drinks that you can make with the frozen concoction maker, but it's just absolutely delightful. It's like an Irish cream coffee cloud in your mouth. Now you can play around with this recipe. You can add a little bit of chocolate syrup to it. You could throw a little cocoa into it. We were trying to keep the sugar content just down a little bit. I mean, we were throwing the Irish cream in there, so whatever. But you could do that. You could throw a sprinkle of cinnamon on it. Geez, you could even top it with a little bit of whipped cream if you want to get nuts. Throw a straw in there. Super fun. Either way, as a base recipe, really solid. My only problem here is that I went with this small of a glass. Maybe I'll just go straight from the pitcher. Great way to beat the heat and stay awake at the same time. The Margaritaville Bahamas frozen concoction maker, and a little bit of ingenuity for the win. So I'm just gonna go take my pitcher of iced cappuccino here, hit the backyard, and till next time, keep her at 11.